Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to set up the registration form in Airmeet. Let's get started. Go inside the event dashboard and then click on registration and select registration form from the left. Now you can click on change form and from here you can find the default registration fields. You can either make them mandatory or keep them optional. You can also hover over these fields and click on this delete button to delete it. If you want to add a condition, then you can click on this plus icon. Or if you want to rearrange it, then you can click on it, drag and drop it anywhere you want to. The only fields that cannot be removed or changed are the first name and last name. And on the right, you also have the attendee card. It is the card that appears for the attendee to fill in their profiles. You cannot disable the attendee name, but you can always disable other options or realign them. If you want to re-enable it, you can simply click on it and it will be enabled. To add preset fields to this form, simply click on Add Preset Fields. And as you can see, all the preset fields are already selected. If you want to select the phone number as well, you can do so. Now you can find the phone number field out here. On the registration form, people will be able to change the phone code by clicking on this arrow icon. The phone number preset field is not applicable for the attendee card. To add custom fields, simply click on Add Custom Fields. And as you can see, there are different types of custom fields. First is the short text. Click on it. You can use this field for short descriptions such as the name of the university, academic qualification, and such. Provide the name of the short text. Please remind that the character limit for this field is 70 characters. Once done, click on Save. And now you will be able to see that custom field in this section. You can make it mandatory as well. You can also find this label for the attendee card, but you have to select it to enable it. Please remind that you can only select maximum of 5 fields for the attendee card. Coming on to the second type of custom field, which is long text, simply click on it. This field can be used for attendee description, their past work experience, and such. Once you enter the label name, click on Save, and you can find this field out here. This field can only be added to the registration form and not for the attendee card. Coming on to the third type of custom field, which is single select, which also cannot be added for the attendee card. Click on it. You can use this single select answer field for labels such as genders, high level of education, and such. You can add the label and the options. To add more options, you can click on Add Another Option, and you can add more by clicking on it again. You can also delete options by clicking on the bin icon. Once done, click on Save. And you have it out here in the registration form. Since it is a single select answer, the attendees can only select one option from this section. Coming on to the next custom field, which is multi-select answer. This field also cannot be used for the attendee card. Click on it, fill in the required fields, and click on Save. Now you can see the multi-select field in this section. As the name suggests, attendees can select more than one options by clicking on this arrow icon. Coming on to the last custom field, that is consent. Consent field is also only applicable for the registration form. Click on it. Consent field can be used to add link for your website, for private policies or terms of services. You can add your text here and the character limit is 500. To add a link to the text, simply select the text and click on enter the link and paste the link of your terms and conditions or any other website that you are using. Then hit enter or written on your keyboard and now the text is hyperlinked. Once done, click on save and there it is added to your registration form. You can make it mandatory. Also know that the forms that we just added can be re-edited by clicking on this pencil icon. You can add as many custom fields as you want and once done you can click on preview to preview it. If you want to go back to editing, simply click on edit and once done click on save. And there our registration form is changed successfully. You can also embed Airmeet's registration form to third-party websites. To do that, simply click on embed form and from this section you can select the theme of the registration. You can also select the background color. If you want to choose your own color, simply click on here and select the hue from here. You can also select the hex code or find the color using these sliders. Once done, click on the tick mark and it is ready to go. And lastly, you can click on copy code to copy the embedding code. Once done, click on done and you're good to go. Please remind that this embed form will only be available for first type of event entry, which you can find by going to event entry, click on edit, and there is the first type of event entry. You can preview your registration form from this page itself by clicking on this eye icon. And if you want to edit any content, you can click on edit and get started with it. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.